If your Discord account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following a straightforward process. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through the appeal. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting your appeal, collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any details about the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Discord support page. Go to the official Discord support page. Look for the section dedicated to account issues or restrictions. This is where you will find the necessary forms to submit your appeal. Step 3. Fill out the appeal form. Complete the appeal form with accurate information. Be sure to explain your situation clearly and provide any evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots or messages that clarify the misunderstanding. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Once you have filled out the form, submit it through the support page. Make sure to double-check your information before submitting to avoid any mistakes that could delay the process. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Discord's support team. This may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Discord involves gathering information, filling out the appeal form, and patiently waiting for a response. Following these steps can help you effectively present your case.